My name is Bitcoin Pekin. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notification. Support your boy by subscribing to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit this bell for notification. Please keep in mind everything in this video, it's my opinion, not financial advice. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed to BP Class membership website. I will leave the link in the description box below. In BP Class, you can actually learn how to trade digital assets, cryptocurrency. You can learn how to design responsive website. You can learn graphics. You can learn quite a number of things that will make you money online profitably, reliably, and consistently. If you don't understand any part of this video and you want to ask questions, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp phone number in the comment box below. So please check it out. Send me a WhatsApp message and you can ask questions and then I will give you answers. BitMEX launches fork monitoring website targeted at Bitcoin Cash hard fork. Okay, in a week from now, a few days from now, we'll be seeing Bitcoin Cash hard fork. Okay, the research arm of Okong-based cryptocurrency derivative platform, okay, BitMEX Research has launched a new network monitoring tool for both Bitcoin BTC and Bitcoin Cash BCA. The company announced in a blog post on November 5, 2018. Okay, the fork monitoring website targets Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash, which is the first fork of Bitcoin, will be experiencing its own first fork anytime soon this November. Okay, we're experiencing that November 5th. The company described the fork monitor as a useful tool that developers could use to monitor network upgrades such as the soft or hard fork. Okay, we actually saw this soft and hard fork last year towards the end of last year when Bitcoin was forked, and then we had BCH. The fork monitor won't just be useful to know whether it's a soft or a hard fork. No, the fork monitor could also be useful in helping to detect unintentional consensus bug. Okay, the website is connected to several different nodes, both the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash implementation. While displaying various pieces of information regarding the chain followed, the website is primarily geared towards Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it's primarily geared towards Bitcoin Cash. Okay, running 8 Bitcoin Cash nodes compared to 5 Bitcoin nodes. BitMEX explained that the reason for this is the upcoming Bitcoin Cash hard fork scheduled for November 15th, 2018, where several different nodes appear designed to follow different chains. Okay, now the fork monitor, as you can see here, you have Bitcoin, you have Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is expected to conduct a hard fork upgrade at about 1640 UTC November 15th. After the Bitcoin Cash hard fork is complete, the website will reportedly move most of its focus to Bitcoin, okay, and run more versions of Bitcoin Core, especially the older version. The company also said it might also run independent implementation such as Bitcoin. Okay, we have BTCD and Libitcoin. Okay, this is what we are expecting. BitMEX new website will predict future hard fork behavior. Shortly after BitMEX Research announced the launch of forkmonitors.info on Twitter, the BitMEX CEO and co-founder Arthur Hayes spoke on the matter, tweeting, "If you want to get forked up, check this out." Wow, this is his tweet. "We are proud to announce the launch of forkmonitor.info, a new website sponsored by BitMEX." Okay, BitMEX is an exchanger. Okay, it's a crypto exchanger. Okay, the site is connected to several nodes, both Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it can be used to monitor the network during the soft or hard fork. We don't know what kind of fork it's going to be. Is it going to be a soft fork? Is it going to be a hard fork? Okay, if you want to understand what fork is all about in the crypto space, please check out my video of Bitcoin fork sometime last year. I actually did an explanation on that. Okay, now this is another tweet. What will happen to Bitcoin ABC? That's the question. What will happen to Bitcoin ABC, Bitcoin SV, which is Satoshi version, and Bitcoin Unlimited during the BCH hard fork 15th of November? Now, aka, would there be a fake Satoshi node? Bitcoin SVC is expected to fork off from a network onto a new chain. Find out what will happen at forkmonitor.info. Okay, now Hayes referred to the company blog post where it said that the website was built with the help of a Dutch Bitcoin enthusiast, okay, and software developer Sergio Provost. The blog post further explained why this tool was created. claiming that there were no similar resources available to assess the development of the three competing chains that might come out of the hard fork. While it appears that the economic majority will support Bitcoin ABC hard fork, there is significant uncertainty over how each client will behave and which chain will they follow, the blog post stated. To help provide useful information to stakeholders whose assets might be facing a tough time ahead of events, BitMEX Research has sponsored the creation of forkmonitor.info. According to the company, the website code will be made open source, which may openly encourage other organizations to spin up multiple nodes and monitor the chain in a similar way. Hey guys, what do you think of BitMEX launching a fork monitoring website, forkmonitoring.info, in order to monitor the soft and or hard fork of Bitcoin Cash coming up November 15th? Please leave your comment on the comment box below. Please support this YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button, okay, and don't forget to hit the bell button if you've not done so. My name is Bitcoin Pikin Eyima Idemudia. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button if you've not done so. Please, thank you once more for watching this video. You guys are awesome. See you in my next video. Bye bye.